Hey everyone, John Little here. Sometimes Ginger may talk too fast, or you may want to buzz through a lesson just to get a quick sense of a preview on it. Uh, this is what you can do. What I've got right here is Wildfire, great lesson. I'm going to start playing it. You're going to hear it. I'm going to hope it's not going to be too loud. And let me see if I can turn that down. Right over here on the.
Hi, this is Ginger Cook,
Let me
and
pause it for a second. Right over here on the right, you've got the blue bars. That's your volume. If you don't want to turn it down on your computer, you can turn it down here. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. The gear is your settings. If you're having it pause or not, if it's stuttering, it doesn't continue to play, try a lower quality. Try a 720, try a 540. 540 is still very, very readable, sharp enough to understand what's going on. 360 if you're out on a cruise ship. Just saying. Now, for the speed, you can go under here where it says speed. Just click on that, and you can slow it down to half speed. Still very, what's the word I want? Legible? No, that's reading. Understandable, I guess will work. And you can also go all the way up to 2 times. So you can take a 30-minute segment and kind of buzz through it in 15 minutes so you have understanding what's going on, or you can slow it down and make sure you capture everything. So let's go ahead and try to play this, and I will be quiet and let you listen to the audio as it's doing this.
today we're going to be painting a horse that our merry band of artists and group have named Wildfire. I think that's perfect for him. I originally found this beautiful photo, and I thought how interesting to make a horse. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but just
Okay,
the general idea that I thought was so pretty.
That was the normal speed. I'm going to take it down to half speed. You can go 3/4, but half speed, just to show you, if you can understand it at half speed, you're certainly going to be able to understand it at 3/4. Let's go down to half now. Start it up again.
Pretty. So this is a 9 by 12 canvas. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some burnt umber and a little bit of ultramarine blue and maybe some cad red medium, and
Let's take it up a little bit further. Again, this is half speed where she's actually painting, and see how that talking is.
first colors. And what's interesting is that this takes time. This is layering. So I know I want it darker here, so put a little bit burnt umber with it.
So you can see, I think that's very understandable. Let's go to the other end, the extreme at 2 times. It's still going to be understandable, but it's going to be flying by. So pay attention closely.
This is the next layer of paint that's coming this way. And maybe a little bit of purple and blue. And I'm saying I want this darker in here, wipe the brush off and kind of melt these colors together. So this is all dark under here, like this. Okay,
so you can see, you can get an idea of what she's doing on fast speed. Again, you can go to 3/4 speed, a little bit quicker than half and still understandable, slow enough to follow along. 1 1/4, you want to speed her up a bit, 1 1/2 or 2. Let me put it back to normal so I don't forget to do that. One more little thing, this little guy over here in the corner, click it, and it goes full screen, which is outside of the window I'm showing you, but to get out of full screen, press the escape key, ESC, it's in the upper left-hand corner, and that brings you back. All right, I hope this has been a little helpful tip for you. Again, all the videos work the same way. You have a little gear. That's where you control the speed or quality if you're having a buffering issue. Take it down a notch or 2. Even take it down here. Let's take a second. I'm going to bring it down to 540.
Want it darker under that. Want a dark shadow under this jaw.
Down. And you can see there's absolutely no difference in quality.
I've got a rag in my hand and I start wiping the brush and start.
Let me take it down to 360.
Kind of putting these shadows in as I go.
It's a little bit softer.
Okay.
But again, you can still follow along.
We're not doing
and you're not going to have a problem with the quality of it. Let me put that back up to, I think it goes, yeah, 720. All right. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. We're here to help you. Thanks. Bye.